Hi, this video is going to show you how to get started with Visual Studio Code. So I went to the website code.visualstudio.com/download, and I downloaded a copy of Visual Studio Code for my type of computer operating system. And now I'm going to open it up so that I can use it for our project. So this is my getting started screen by default. This is how it opens up. Now, before I actually get started, I want to make sure that I have a place to store everything. I want all of my information, files, etc. for my project to be in one main folder. But if you notice, we don't have an option here to create a folder. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to open a folder, and then we want to go to where we want that folder. So if I go to my desktop, I do have desktop up here, so I know I'm in the right spot. And then I'm going to choose New Folder, and I have to give my folder a name. So I'm just going to use this underscore here, and then I'm going to just give it a name, My Project, April 2021. So I'd use the underscore so that it would put it at the top of the list alphabetically. And if you notice, I don't have any spaces in the name of my folder. It all has something, an underscore, what have you, but I don't want any spaces because that can be problematic when I'm looking at things in the browser. Okay, so now that I have my new folder and I've created it, I've named it, I want to select it. So I have my folder highlighted there, and then the name's down here, and I'm going to choose Select Folder. We have to give it a second to let it do its thing. But now I have started my project with my folder here. So I'm going to choose to close this Getting Started window by clicking on the X. And now here's my folder, and that's where my project is going to live.